browser and search for GitHub. Just wait. Open GitHub, log into your account and go to your profile. Just a second. So just go, and here is the new icon. Click on it. Just a second. There are almost 3 methods to make repositories that are first is a manual method that are doing today, and also by using git bash git commands, and also directly from the VS Code. Just now make a repository, my first app. You can do whatever description you want to do, it is not mandatory, and there is option to private or public. Now I am doing this so I am private, and also you can add a readme file where you can add your all description of that project and whatever you want to add, and that create repository. Here is how your repository is created, my first app. Now here is section add files. You can add or upload files. You can browse files. You can add this. Here's how it is easily uploaded, and we have to do commit changes. Processing. This is how all things works, and here is how your file is uploaded. You can see it or make also changes in it. Whatever you want to do, you can make from here directly. So this is how you can upload files by using manual method. Now